perfume nozzle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Unraveling Lifestyles, and I apologize for not bringing any videos for the past few months as I was a bit busy, but we are in a new year. And before anything, happy new year to all my subscribers around the world, and I wish that this year will bring you prosperity, peace and everything that you wish for. I would also like to thank all my subscribers for staying with me. I have more than 16,000 people connected with me from around the world, so thank you very much for being with me. Hope that you will stay tuned with the videos I will bring, and I hope that my videos help you guys in any way. So let's get into today's video. So today's video is about a very special equipment, rather a tool that a lot of ladies use. This is the gadget that I about. I think it's the Glory hair dryer. I got it as a present, and let's unbox it. We have the dryer. It's with the plug. Oh, look how pretty that is. And next up we have this diffuser curler. I think it's called a diffuser curler. Ooh, look at this. So pretty. I love the color. Styling nozzle. So you can increase the speed and use it to straighten up and do whatever you want. And we come to my favorite part, which is this perfume nozzle. Guys, I've never used this before, so I hope it's going to be really cool. Let me show how it fits. You can like use on your hair, you can use the perfume. I think you have to put the perfume drops onto this and use it. These are the perfume rings that you can use on the nozzle.
Several days later.
Okay, it's time to test the hair dryer, and let's see how it's going to be, how it's going to work. And I'm so excited to try the perfume ring. I've towel dried my hair. This is what we're going to use, and let's on it. Ooh, adjust the heat. It shows everything on the digital screen. It's super quick, guys. In a hurry, or you're late for that outing, for that conference, or to work on a daily basis, I think this hair dryer will be quite useful.
Oh yes.
So I like to brush my hair after hair drying it, and I like to use this product. It's like a leave-on conditioner called the Magic Water Cream. I'll show you what the magic is. And when you do this, it turns into the paste turns into something like water. I don't like dead straight hair, so in order to just push in these curls up, I like to use the product. And it's quite easy, guys. If you're going out and you need like a quick fix for your hair, I think this product is gonna save you. So now comes my favorite part. I'm going to use this perfume ring. This is the first time I'm using it. Let's see how this works. This is what the ring looks like. To take your perfume and spray it about 7 times. Remove the nozzle. Attach the nozzle. Fix it onto this Guys, trust me, my hair actually smells like my perfume. I'm just loving it. My hair feels so good and it smells so good. So in general, I think I like the whole hair dryer, the Dreame Glory hair dryer, and I think it's amazing. And if anyone is planning to go out in a hurry, or you're late for your function or to office, I think this will come in handy. So do use it and let me know how it feels, and did it own up to what I said. So if you guys buy it by any chance, do let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next video.